Hi everyone and welcome. Thank you for watching. I'm George Pierce and this video is about my pick of the week. Each week I pick an internet marketing product that I feel is just superior or exceptional. This week I picked a free web hosting company, and I'm actually not affiliated with the company, but this particular web hosting, even though it's free, is considered to have the best website builder, the easiest, the most user-friendly website builder of everybody on the market. So free or paid, it's considered to have the best. So that's one of the main reasons why it's my pick of the week. So let's get right to it. Well, I've taken us to the Internet Marketer Training Center, and I'll leave a link below to this web page where you can get more information. And my pick of the week is Wix, W-I-X, and it's a web host or web host website. It's a free website. This is one of my Wix website. It's Wix.com. Again, Wix.com. You can click on this link to get more information, but I think you're going to be real pleased with what you see. This is a snapshot of my website, which is a feeder website, if you want to call it that, to one of my main websites, one of my paid websites, but this one is free. It's Internet Marketer Training Center, and of course, about us, make money, achieve your growth, and so on. So, and this is now one of the negatives that I want to share with you is that it's going to have, with Wix, you're going to get a small ad for Wix.com. As you can see here, this is the ad that is going to be on every web page. Now, also, with the free version, you do have a limited amount of space. The free version provides you with 500 megabytes of bandwidth and 500 megabytes of storage per month. That should be enough for most small businesses. That's probably not going to be enough if, for example, you want to get into internet marketing. If you want to be an affiliate marketer or internet marketer, email marketer, and so on, you're going to be creating a lot of pages. You're going to go through a lot of bandwidth. And I share this with you here, that simply that this is one of my sites, and you can see that I use that bandwidth up and more every day on just this one site. This is a paid site, of course. This is not Wix. This is one of my paid sites. But Wix is outstanding for a small business. If you are going to be an internet marketer, if you're an aspiring internet marketer, if you're an aspiring affiliate marketer, if you're an email marketer, content marketer, and so on, then you probably will outgrow Wix in a very short while. So Wix is probably not necessarily a good idea for your needs. In that case, what I would recommend is that you look for a low-cost web host, and there are many of them. I have virtually unlimited web hosting. What I showed you right here is less than $350 a month. I think it's $333 or right in that ballpark per month that I pay and have this kind of traffic on this particular one. I have one that I pay $333, I think, and one that I pay about $350. So there's two very good web hosts. There's virtually no web host out there that I know of that is going to give you bad hosting. Just about all of them now have the technology, the equipment, and so on, and the know-how where bad hosting should not be a problem. Even if it's free hosting, it should be excellent hosting. So don't think that free hosting is a negative and it's going to be bad hosting. That's not true. That really is not true. One of the things that I tried to do years ago was to prove that free hosting was bad hosting, and I found out real fast it isn't. And also, I've found out by paying for expensive hosting and then moving down to less expensive hosting. And ended up with, now as far as I'm concerned, I've got cheap hosting, and it's just as good as the expensive hosting, and it's just a whole lot cheaper. So the thing that I wanted to share with you about Wix, if you think you're going to outgrow it, the reason why I don't think it's a good idea is because if you're, again, a feeder website, something like I'm doing, that's going to work. But if you're trying to make it if you're trying to make Wix your main website and actually build a big website, you're going to outgrow it. And Wix is typically about $15.95 per month for unlimited. And again, you can get unlimited. I'm getting unlimited for less than $3.50 or less per month. Okay, so why pay $16 for something when you can pay $3.50 and get just as good a service, just as good a hosting? If it was inferior, that's a different story, but it's not. So my pick of the week is Wix.com, and I invite you to click on the link below, which will take you to this web page, because there's also some funny jokes, and I think you'll have some fun as well. If you visit, you'll enjoy some of the jokes on the page. That's my pick of the week, Wix.com. I think you'll be real pleased with, especially with how easy it is to use, and the results are professional. I think you'll be very pleased with the results that you get. Again, it's for basically a small business or someone that's just looking for a small site, and you're not going to outgrow it. Of course, Wix wants you to outgrow it, and I don't mean to pick on Wix. Certainly they want you to outgrow it, and then you'll go ahead and spend more money. And of course, that's the idea with most, if not all, free hosting, is that hopefully you're going to outgrow it, or you're going to want to upgrade. You're going to want to upgrade the service and then spend money with them. One of the hosts that I'm with is Hostinger. I'll leave a link below, Hostinger. When you upgrade with them, you're going to be around $3.50 per month instead of $15.95. So that's one of the reasons why I'm with Hostinger. The thing that I want to share most of all is that, again, free hosting does not mean that it's bad hosting. It's excellent. Low-cost hosting is, based on my experience, most likely excellent. I've had excellent hosting with just about everyone that I have been with. So I've been possibly very fortunate, but as far as I know, there's pretty much no bad hosting anymore. Wix.com is my pick of the week. If this kind of information or help is of use to you, of value to you, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on future videos. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and allow me to wish you much success.